mapagpalang linggo na naman po sa ating lahat. Nandito po kami muli upang mag-retake sa inyo ng news at update sa loob at labas ng ating iglesia. At ito po ang Legacy News Update. Para po sa unang update, ito po ang ating schedule of services.
Our morning service starts at 10 a.m. and ends at 12 noon every Sunday. Enjoy God's presence and fellowship with our co-believers. For the young people, the youth service is for you. 2:30 p.m. until 4 p.m. every Sunday. Every Friday, we hold our prayer meeting at 8 p.m. Itaas natin ang Panginoon sama-sama habang tayo'y tapat na nananalangin sa Kanya. It's great to spend more time with our co-believers as we study His Word. So make sure na may cell group ka na ang kinabibilangan. We hold our men's and women's joint fellowship every third Sunday of the month after our morning service. Huwag kalimutan! For all the church workers, don't forget our workers' fellowship every first Wednesday of the month. This is a great time to have fellowship with one another.
Para sa ating ongoing activities, ang ating music school po ay tuloy-tuloy tuwing Sabado, alas 5 hanggang alas 6 ng gabi. At sa kanilang updates, abangan po natin ang kanilang graduation this coming December.
This coming October 27, magkakaroon po tayo ng evangelistic concert dito po sa ating iglesia. At ito ay pinamagatang U-Turn. Ito po ay magsisimula sa oras ng alas 10 ng umaga at hanggang alas 12 ng tanghali. Halina tayo po yung posigidong mag-imbita ng mga ating kakilala na hindi pa nakakilala sa Panginoon. Therefore, go make disciples of all nations for us to bear much fruit. Being confident of this, that He who began a good work in you
will carry it unto completion
until the day of Christ Jesus.
Philippians 1:6. Hanggang sa susunod po na linggo,
Ako po si Jason.
ako po si Roden,
Ako po si Dari.
and this is the Legacy News Update. Shalom!